The trail begins behind Wasdale Inn, heading towards Moses Trod. We take the path left along the base of Kirk Fell, and this takes us into the Mosedale Valley. The start is a gentle walk across the valley floor. We meet the base of the Blacksail Pass and begin our ascent. A little further up, we cross over Gatherstone Beck, and then continuing on the other side, we complete this section of the Blacksail Pass, which gives us half of our height for the day. At the turn, we follow the fence posts past the tarn, and this is a flatter section. Once we reach the cairn, we turn off, and the traverse takes us up and down across a narrow, exposed but fascinating route with wonderful views over the Buttermere Fells. It's a steep ascent to complete our journey to Pillar's summit, where we reach the pinnacle of one of the most challenging routes in the Lake District for walkers. Working our way back, we head down the broad slopes of Pillar and pass our earlier turn-off on our way to the Blacksail Pass. It's a steady and stable path and Wainwright's recommended route to ascend Pillar. We start to head down once again. We've got time to admire the views that make up the Mosedale Horseshoe which surrounds us. The memories of this journey will stay with me, as they did with Wainwright, and he makes special note of the SHAMROCK traverse in the back of his final book of the Pictorial Guides of the Lake District, and I really hope you enjoy it.